Innovative, hot-cold alkaline water ionizer with unparalleled purification using 4 filters. Auto-hide, tap to protect faucet from dust, bacteria, and viruses. It received the Good Design Award with a simple and stylish design. Energy efficient, instant heating and vacuum cooling system. Good water taste, and effective decalcification thanks to the 4 filter system.
Hi, I'm Gregory from KYK Korea, and I'm going to introduce you our water ionizers. This is our top-of-the-line model, KYK 707. It has cold alkaline water, just alkaline water, hot water, and purified water. So cold alkaline water has 2 levels, 8.5 pH and 9.0. We put only 2 levels because they are used for drinking. So cold water only used for drinking, and these are 2 recommended levels. 8.5 is for children, pregnant women, and people new to alkaline water, and 9.0 for adults who are used to alkaline water. So to get alkaline water, you choose the level which you want, for example 8.5. Then you take a cup, push it to the button, and automatic cork comes out. You get as much water as you need. Remove the cup from the... So on a typical water ionizer or water cooler where the cork doesn't hide automatically back in the machine, bacteria accumulates and you're basically drinking water with viruses and bacteria, but here it goes back. Then just regular alkaline water, you can use it for drinking. So pH 8.5 for pregnant women and for little children and for people new to alkaline water. Then 9.5 for adults and for people who are used to alkaline water. Then 9.5 for cooking and making tea or coffee. Then 10 for washing fruit and vegetables to extend their shelf life. Then hot water. It doesn't work from just one tap for safety, so you need to press and hold.
Caution, hot water.
And you take a mug. Again, press the button. Hot water starts coming out. And we don't have tank inside. The water is heated instantaneously. So it helps to save electricity. You don't need to keep this water heated, making our device more economical and more environmentally friendly. And also it means the water comes always with the same temperature, because from the tank, after you empty it, the water it needs more time to produce hot water again. Then after every about 20-30 liters, depending on your local tap water condition, it is recommended to run cleaning cycle. So it cleans inside the system, especially the electrolysis cell, and water just runs from the drain hose into sink. So after it finished, you press the button again. Then there is a feature when you want a lot of alkaline water, a lot of cold alkaline water, or a lot of hot water. So it will be uncomfortable to hold this button pressed. So you select the water which you want, and then prepare a cup or a bucket and tap and hold the continuity.
Cold alkaline at first stage.
So I don't need to hold this button pressed, the water just keeps running. So you get as much water as you need. In this case we get cold alkaline water, and then stop running it. Also important note about purified water. Inside this machine has 4 filters, so they can clean basically any water, any contaminated water you have running from your tap, or you can safely drink just purified water. Now I'm going to show you how to replace filter in KYK 707. So first you lock the valve which lets the water run into the machine so normal water comes in. Then turn it on here and let the water from which is already in the system to come out, so it's all drained. Now you can open the lid. As you can see, KYK 707 has 4 premium filters, and they're enough to clean any kind of water contamination. So to replace old filter, you flip it forward, rotate, and then take out. So here you got the old filter. You take a new one, unpack it, and install, and rotate, and flip back. So here you have new filter installed. Take a lid, install it back. So now you have filter replaced in KYK 707 water ionizer. Thank you.